Manchester right now, the suspect in the shooting at a local mall turned himself into police over the weekend, charged with shooting a security guard in the stomach on Friday afternoon. The Pinpoint News Tracker showing us where it happened at the Macy's store in the mall in Manchester. Channel 3 Hartford Bureau Chief Aya Galal is live. She is at Manchester Superior Court with more on what happened in this first appearance for the 30-year-old suspect. Aya?
Hi, Mark. And Richard LaPlante didn't say much during his arraignment today, but his lawyer says that he is regretful and remorseful following that incident. Now, the officer who was shot during that incident remains in the hospital. And I want to show you some video of 30-year-old Richard LaPlante. Richard LaPlante is accused of shooting at a loss prevention officer at the Macy's department store on Friday at the Buckland Hills Mall. That officer has been identified as 27-year-old Terso Polanco. According to an arrest warrant, Polanco and another officer saw LaPlante shoplifting. One of the officers approached LaPlante and he pulled out a small silver handgun. The officer and LaPlante struggled over the gun and the fight continued outside of the Macy's store. Later, LaPlante pressed the gun to Polanco's stomach and shot him. LaPlante then took off on foot, and after an extensive search for the Windsor resident, LaPlante turned himself into police on Saturday night. He was arrested and charged with criminal attempt murder, first-degree assault, first-degree robbery, and carrying a handgun without a permit. LaPlante's attorney spoke outside of the courthouse today.
It's kind of early, and at this particular time, most experienced defense lawyers are not going to really talk or articulate the facts of the case. The most important thing, we're praying for the victim. We hope that the victim is okay, and we're praying for his family. The most important thing is let the judicial process go through its process.
And LaPlante is being held on a $1 million bond. His next court date will be September 7th. Now, coming up on Eyewitness News at 5 and 6 p.m., we're going to dig deeper into that arrest warrant. We're going to have much more information on what LaPlante was allegedly seen doing on surveillance footage. We're live in Manchester. Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.